Alright guys, welcome back to another video of JVT, Jeff Tech, and this is Jeff here. Yes, the two more things that I mentioned in the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G 1 month review. The second mysterious item, product, phone is, yes, this Xiaomi 12 Pro. You guys should go and see the previous video as well, which is I reviewed the Xiaomi 12, the unboxing and first impression, and this is the Xiaomi 12 Pro unboxing and first impression. Alright, and yep, shout out to Xiaomi Singapore for trusting me and liking my review of the Note 11 Pro 5G previously, that they sent me these two of their latest flagship, the Xiaomi 12 and the Xiaomi 12 Pro. So without further ado, let's unbox it. Alright guys, let us take a look what is inside the box. Xiaomi 12 Pro. Oh yeah. I always love the moment of unboxing for mobile phones. Full of surprise, full of, like, you love something, especially when you unbox it. That kind of excitement is always the best. The very first time, it's like, you're having a new girlfriend, the first time holding her hands. I'm getting too far, sorry guys. Alright, as you can see here, Xiaomi 12 Pro. Alright, Pro grade triple 50 megapixel camera array. Okay, main camera, telephoto and ultra wide. Alright, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Okay, it's a WQHD Dynamite 120Hz AMOLED display and quad speaker, sound by Harman Kardon. This is the top hypercharge, the best charging technology Xiaomi have. Of course, for the top tiers Xiaomi 12 Pro phones, 120 watt hypercharge, my goodness, and 50 watts wireless turbo charging. It's crazy, my goodness, best of the best, my friend. Alright, Xiaomi have the kind of mindset like, oh, I give you everything, all in, yes. Yeah, matte black. Yeah, I love the sound of the tearing of the sticker. Where's the new mobile phones? Yeah, matte black, front and back. Yeah, so mysterious, so nice, right? So beautiful, matte black. Alright, and let's continue to see what we have inside the box. Okay, yep, standard. Yeah, it comes with the charger, but this is huge. Oh wow, this is what you mean by pro. Not only the phone is pro, even the charger is pro. My goodness, this is 120 watts. Xiaomi latest and greatest charger, 120 watts. Alright, and of course with the charger, yeah, cable as well to charge it. Okay, let me put everything in place so that you guys can see properly. Alright, 120 watts charger, my goodness. And yes, last but not least, what is over here? Oh wow, same thing. Yes, we got the plastic casing, and yep, the quick start guide, the safety information and the warranty card. Alright, take some time to set up the phone a bit. Yeah, it's back. For a flagship, especially the Pro series, is considered lightweight. It's only 205 gram, and holding in the hands is, yeah, not so heavy. Normally flagship is about 215, 225. It's about 10 or 20 grams more than this. This is only 205. Yes, it's lightweight. Alright, and it comes with dual SIM. As you guys can see here, dual SIM card supported, and this screen is the LTPO AMOLED, 120Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, HDR 10 plus, can goes up to 1500 nits of brightness, 6.73 inches, is 20:9 ratio, and is actually a 2K screen. Gorilla Glass Victus front and back, and yes, I got the, just now I said matte black or black. No, actually the official name is gray color. Yes, and I love this. This is matte finish, it's not a fingerprint magnet, and the attention to detail, especially camera bumps, you see that this is a bit gray. Yeah, this is matte black. The camera bump is matte black, sorry. And matte black of the camera sensor as well. I love how the camera bump, you know, the camera sensor, how it got from gray color, matte black, and this is, oh my god, ultra black for the for the camera sensor. And for the software wise, it comes with Android 12, MIUI 13, chipset Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, the latest and greatest from Qualcomm. And on the camera department, we have 3 50 megapixel. Yes, you never heard it wrong. Triple 50 megapixel camera for the wide, ultra wide, and telephoto. It supports video recording up to 8K 24 FPS HDR. And for the front, we have the selfie camera, which is 32 megapixel, and is support up to Full HD 60 frame per second video recording. Dual speaker, top and bottom, you see here, and on the bottom another speaker as well. Alright, and the speaker and sound is tuned by Harman Kardon. Of course, come with the standard MFC. Alright, for you to make payment. And yes, the legendary, on almost all Xiaomi phone, the legendary infra port. Xiaomi 12 Pro came with a 4600 mAh battery, fast charging, 120 watts. You'll be surprised, guys, 100% in 18 minutes. Yes, not 80, not 80, is 18 in 18 minutes. You'll get 100% charge, fast wireless charging 50 watts, 100% in 42 minutes. And it comes with reverse wireless charging as well, to let you share your battery power with, you know, your wireless buds or your smartwatches. PD 3.0 and Quick Charge 4 Plus, the charging standard. It came in 4 colors, not only this gray, it comes with the blue color as well, and purple color, like the Xiaomi 12 that I reviewed the previous video. You can go and see that the purple color on the Xiaomi 12 is available on the 12 Pro as well, and another green color. So yes guys, this is a unboxing and the first impression of the Xiaomi 12 Pro. So how do you guys think about it? If you have any comments or you have any like your own impression, you can drop in the comment section. We can discuss about it. Alright, and more video coming up as well. Standard camera test and gaming test will be the next two coming up. And so sub to the channel so that you don't miss any of this video of the Xiaomi 12 Pro or the previous one that I reviewed, the Xiaomi 12. Alright, and yes, share it with your friends and relatives as well. Okay, and remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, my friend. Peace.